Hello everyone, I am Shipra Das. Today I will be demonstrating on how to use two-way switch in staircase wiring. So in previous class we all have learned what is two-way switch. So here you can see the two-way switch. It looks like this. It is made up of bakelite material, and here you can see there are three terminals, that is first terminal, second terminal and common terminal, and this common terminal is connected to the phase of the supply or the load. So, and also we have learned about the various uses of the two-way switch. The main function of the two-way switch is that is we can control the load from two different places, and in that way we can use less energy and consume energy. And there are various applications of two-way switch, that is in staircase wiring, in hostel wiring, in godown wiring, etc. So before going to the demonstration, first of all I want you to note down all the precautions while we are taking during the experiment. That is always wear shoes. Then second is never ever use the touch the live wire or bare wire while giving supply to the circuit. Third one is always the connections which you are doing on the demonstration, it should be tight enough, okay, some to avoid sparking. So as we all know that the safety is most important thing, and to remember, so we have to take care about that. So let's just start the staircase wiring. So in the staircase wiring, I just want to say something about the staircase wiring is that it is a common multi-way switching or two-way switching method. That is, there is one load present on the staircase or one bulb you can connect, and you can connect that, you can control that bulb in two different places, that is above the staircase or below the staircase. It is also, the two-way switch is also used in hallway method, hallway. So to conduct this experiment we need some tools and equipments. That is, first is supply, 230-volt supply, then two switches of two-way switch, and one load, that is bulb of 100 watt, and some connecting wires. So let's just start. First of all, we connect the supply of the, that is phase of the supply, to the common of the two-way switch. Hope you can see the blackboard. Please do carefully, don't harm yourself. Now it is when so it is when broken. Just do another time. It is okay. So you can see that I have connected the phase to the common terminal of the switch S1. Okay, then Now the first terminal of the two-way switch S1, it will be shorted to the first terminal of the two-way switch S2. So it is over. Now the second terminal, second pole of the switch S1 is shorted to the corresponding second terminal of the switch S2. So while doing this connection, just be careful that this terminal should not connect to this terminal, otherwise it will get spark. Okay, it's finished. Okay. Then the load of the another phase of the load is connected to the common point of the switch S2. Okay, it's done. So we have finished the connection now. And yes, another one is left, that is the supply. That is the neutral one of the load is connected to the neutral of the supply. So now it is connected. Now we will so we have understood the connections. So again I'm just demonstrating. That is, the phase of the supply is connected to the common of the switch S1, two-way switch S1, and then first terminal of the switch S1 is shorted to the first terminal of the switch S2. Similarly, this switch second terminal of the switch S1 is shorted to the second terminal of the switch S2, and then the common terminal of the switch S2 is connected to the load, and the neutral one of the load is connected to the neutral of the supply. Okay, so now I will be telling you to do this experiment. Okay, so just see carefully. So we will then see the result. So it has been assembled here. So as you can see, there is a two-way switch S1 and S2. There is one socket to connect the load, and there is one supply. Okay. See, here you can see the connection diagram drawn over here. Okay. Now we will take one 2-pin plug to connect the circuit or to complete the circuit. So before that, we just connect the load in the socket. So we have fixed the load. Then we will, so while giving the supply, please be careful. extension board we are taking to give the supply. So it's ready. So just switch it on. So here if I am doing the switch, okay, here I am just on the switch. When I on the switch, then if I have, this is the staircase, and this switch is present in the below the staircase, and this switch is present above the staircase. So if one person comes from the outside and just want to turn the lamp, the bulb, so what he has to do? He should, if there is no switch present over here, then he has to come, go the staircase and then switch on the bulb. So that is not of use. That is not of any use. So if the switch is present in the below the staircase, so he or she just can switch it on like this, and the bulb glows. So when he just going towards the stair, then again he finds the switch over here, present over here, and just switch it off like this. So here you can see, so in this way we can use the two-way switch in staircase wiring and also consume less energy, and it is also very comfortable to use. Thank you everyone, and the video link I will be sharing to you, all of the learners. So please see carefully, and if there is any doubt or query, please let me know. Thank you.